The 2024 BMW X6 M Competition has made a grand entrance following the unveiling of the refreshed 2024 BMW X6 in early February 2023. This high-performance variant is set to roll out from BMW's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant in April 2023, with its public debut scheduled at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. Priced at $128,195, this model promises a blend of luxury and performance. Under the hood, the M Competition continues to harness the power of a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. However, a notable addition is the 48-volt mild hybrid assistance. This electric motor integration adds 12 horsepower and 147 pound-feet to the 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite these enhancements, the total output remains consistent with its predecessors, boasting 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet. BMW emphasizes that this hybrid assistance not only enhances acceleration from a standstill, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. The V8 engine itself has undergone several refinements. New components such as a crossbank exhaust manifold, reinforced crankshaft drive, an electrically controlled blow-off valve for the turbos, a revamped air intake duct, and a vane-type oil pump have been introduced. The M Sport exhaust, now a standard feature, comes with updated catalytic converters that aim to reduce emissions. Performance-wise, the 2024 X6 M Competition can sprint to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, matching the timings of its pre-refresh counterparts. It's capped at a top speed of 155 miles per hour, but an optional M driver's package can push this limit to 177 miles per hour. Additionally, BMW has updated the transmission with shorter gear ratios for the initial 3 gears and introduced a new cast aluminum oil sump equipped with cooling fins and an expanded fluid capacity. On the aesthetics front, the 2024 X6M Competition showcases slimmer headlights, setting it apart from its predecessors. The iconic kidney grills have been given an all-black treatment. BMW has also introduced new exterior color options, including Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Isle of Man Green Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray Metallic. The interior sees the integration of the BMW curved display, merging a 12.3-inch information screen with a 14.9-inch control monitor. The cabin exudes luxury with standard carbon fiber trim, but for those looking for a touch of elegance, options like fine-line black or silver ash root open pore wood are available. The BMW X6 M Competition is a testament to BMW's commitment to blending luxury with performance. With its refined engine, hybrid integration, and aesthetic upgrades, it promises to be a coveted choice for enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.